Hey guys, Scotty Lyons here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. It's bright and early today. We're down at Oak Park at Cronulla, and myself, Dad and Gary are going to go and have a fish off the beach down here. It's a little bit bleak today. We've got a southerly blowing and a bit of swell, but these spots normally fish quite well. Fairly protected down here, but there'll be some nice white water, and hopefully we'll get amongst a few nice bream and maybe a drummer or two. Okay, what I love about this type of fishing, we're going to spend the day potholing. We're going to start here at Oak Park first, and we're fully equipped. We've left the car with our rods, and as you can see, Gary's all dressed up, very colour-coded today there, Gary.
Yes, mate.
Hey?
Yeah,
He's got his hungry bag on the back here, which is really good. It carries all your stuff and somewhere to put your fish. He's got his old milk container for a bait bucket. Looks like you made that up last night.
Yeah, definitely. Yep.
And Dad's doing the same. And that way what we can do is we can just slowly work our way around to different spots and fish different locations and hopefully find a few fish. It's a great way to fish, and you're not lugging heaps of gear down with you. And you've done a fair bit of this in the past, Gary?
Yeah, mate, it's great fun. And it's, as you say, you're mobile, you can move around.
Yeah.
You don't have to take much down, a few ball sinkers, some hooks, have your alvy, nice 12-foot rod. Flick them out. If you don't get anything at the spot, right, after say 10-15 minutes, you can move on.
Yeah. And Dad, you've done this type of fishing all your life, haven't you?
Oh, last 50 odd years.
Yep.
Yeah.
And this is where I cut my tooth with Dad many years ago, this style of fishing. Now it's going to be a little blowy down here today because we've got a southerly blowing, but as we approach Oak Park here, it's a beautiful day, got a beautiful bit of white water down here. High tide today is about 10 o'clock. So yeah, it should be pretty good. Should have fish moving in, especially with the overcast conditions. I think we'll be hopefully in for a few good fish. Hey, not too bad, eh? Old boy's first cab off the rank with a nice bream. Another kelpie. Double. We can get this. Well, we've done okay here. We've got a bream each so far. Pretty extreme conditions today. Pretty windy, like I said, from the south. And Gary and I are now going to head over and join Dad. Just walk around to another spot and see if we can find some fish. It looks like Dad might have a fish on over there, actually.
It's Scott. I haven't got one. I've got 2 bream.
Oh, 2 bream. Yeah, you just pulled one out of the swimming pool.
Yeah, let's move.
You can't count the one you caught in the swimming pool. All right, let's move on. Okay, we're down at Shelly Park now, and this looks a lot better around here. Definitely protected from the southerly down here, and the swell as well. So I'll catch up to Dad and Gary. Don't look at me like that.
This looks too good.
Hey, it does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Surprising when you get around that corner, isn't it? Out of the breeze, how protected it is down here. So I reckon we might get a few fish out of here. This is one of Dad's favourite haunts, Shelly pools. He's fished here for over 50 years. And last time we fished here, Dad found a good brim in this little corner, and he looks like he's done it again. Right in hard against the edge of the pool. Look at that, eh?
Yeah, this way, Bill. That flash? No.
Oh, you got to be happy with that one, Dad? Yeah. Hey?
Just hang on a sec.
Good fish. And he's done it again. First bait at the rock bill.
Bill.
Well guys, I'll just run you through the gear we're using today. Very simple. Using an Albi reel on an old favourite rod of mine that I built a long time ago. 12 foot long, really nice, light, sloppy rod. Great for this type of fishing. It's spooled up with 9-pound Snyder line. And the setup we're using is very basic. There it is there. Right, so we've got a double O ball or an O ball sitting on top of a number 1 hook. So I like to use either the double O or I'm using an O ball here. So those two size sinkers work really well. We've got our bait box here, okay, with all full of prawns, nice and simple. And of course, what we call a hungry bag. Now the hungry bag's fantastic for carrying your gear around in. We left the car dressed, ready to go fishing today, so fantastic way to fish. Gary, just come over and give us a look at the stuff you're using. As you can see, Gary's coloured like the rainbow today.
Yes, mate, yeah.
Alright, so you've got an Albi.
Got an Albi, and I've got a Bruce Albi special 12 foot.
Yep.
I like them as 12 foot.
Yep.
Around about a 6 wrap.
Yep.
Right. Nice light tip, and you can throw little wide weights.
And again, there's
like
your
that.
probably using an O-ball again. Same, just down onto the top of the hook. So a real basic setup and effective way to fish in this rough conditions today. And you got a few fish?
Yeah, I got a couple of bream,
Yep.
but I've run out of bait, so can I bloke one of your prawns?
You can get some more bait off me.
Right.
I think Dad's outdone us today so far. He's caught the best brim and a nice drummer as well. So anyway, we're going to get back out there and see if we can catch a few more fish and enjoy the rest of the day. you got a nice little groper there, Gary.
Yes, mate, yeah, it's only a small one.
Yeah, baby groper.
Little baby.
Well, we've had a pretty good day down here at Shelly and Oak Park, wandering along the rocks, catching some nice fish. And of course, Dad's outdone us today, hasn't he, Gary?
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah.
Got a nice catch of fish. Pretty happy with the fish you got?
I am.
Hey?
Yeah, I am.
Especially that big bream you got in the middle there.
Yeah,
Hey?
nice bream.
He's a ripper.
He's a good bream.
Hey? You've got to be happy with that one. Yeah, you had a good day, Gary?
Yeah, mate, it's been great.
It's been great.
Yeah.
Fantastic fun. Anyway, guys, tune in next week for another fantastic clip on the Hook on the Cook. Please subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And we'll see you on the water next week somewhere. Cheers.
To give a big thank you to all our sponsors for 2019.